In ancient times, the sea was revered as a realm of the gods, inaccessible to mortal men due to its unfathomable power and chaos. The ancients believed the sea was inhabited by formidable creatures like Leviathan, Kraken, Rahab, dragons, and serpents. These mystical beings were often associated with the sea gods, who were worshipped under various names across cultures. Some of the most revered sea deities include Poseidon, Greek mythology; Mamiwata, West African mythology; Oshun, Yoruba mythology; Olokun, Yoruba mythology. Despite their various names, the sea gods shared similar roles and responsibilities, governing the tides and protecting the sailors, and controlling the oceans. Now, the question is, why are these gods limited in power? Why are they not all powerful? We know the answer.